Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2010 Acura MDX with Elite Package. So here we have a 4-door, 7-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a crystal black pearl color. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.7-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 19-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps, you have your high-intensity discharge headlamps, and you also have speed-sensitive wipers, which are both very handy for that highway driving. But there's a lot of really great features happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look inside. Helping you into your Acura is this handy dandy flip key with fob. On your fob, you have your unlock, your lock. This here unlocks your hatchback only, and then you have your panic button there. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front doors, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. You have your running board there to make it easier for you to get in and out of your vehicle. You also have your side, your mirror signal alert, and then opening this up here, you have your nice chrome handles. And lots of space to get in and out, really nice and clean. Our detail department does a great job when these vehicles come in. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors, and you have your memory setting for up to 2 drivers for that power driver's seat. Now you're going to notice this wood trim all along the interior adds a lot of luxury to the inside of your vehicle. You do have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. Then you have your power driver's seat along with this gorgeous leather interior. Now moving a little bit further up, you do have a power tilt and slide sunroof, and just behind it is your DVD player, which comes with 2 brand new headphones. They're still in the wrappers, so that's going to be really nice for you. Taking a look to the left of the steering wheel here, you do have your headlight washer along with your power adjustable steering wheel. We're going to hop on in here. Now there's a lot of MDX. I'm not going to get a chance to go through all of it because it would take a very long time, but we're going to go through some of the more important features here. We'll take a look at the odometer. So we have 138,215 kilometers here. Then moving a little bit further back, you can see you have all of the buttons that you're going to want on your steering wheel. You have your volume control and your mode changer buttons along with your channel changer there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice command. Just under here, this is the information, the central information display. So this is going to give you your keyless memory settings, your tire pressure warning, your trip computer, things like that. So lots of great information just at the touch of a button there. You also have your radar cruise control. This is going to allow you to set the distance to the vehicle ahead of you on your cruise control, and your vehicle will maintain that distance safely by accelerating and decelerating. And that's going to work in combination with your cruise control, which is just there. Now taking a look at the entertainment system now, we do have everything that you're going to want. You have your navigation. That's a really easy system to learn. You can find map information, find your nearest gas stations, things like that. And then we're going to take a look at the audio. You do have everything that you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio. You have your CD player. You have your Sirius XM radio, so that's going to be really great. And then you have your USB and your audio input, and that's going to be really nice. And then you have your Bluetooth audio as well, so that's going to give you your hands-free calling there as well. I'm just going to back this up, or not back it up, I'm going to put it in reverse so you can see the rear vision camera. And you do have multiple views here, so that's going to be really, really handy if you want to change your view even while you're backing up. So that's going to be really nice for you. So that's another view that you can do just there. So that's going to be really great and nice and safe, making it safer for you to back out of those busy parking lots or even out of your own driveway, making your neighborhood safer. Taking a look a little bit further down, you do have your dual zone climate control, and you have control over whether or not you want those back passengers to have control over their climate as well. So they do have control over that. You have your air conditioning, which is going to be really great. You have your CD player just down there with all of your presets, and then moving a little bit further down from there, this is where you can have control over your rear DVD player and all of the power sources back there. And then here's your central control system for your navigation. Right under here is a little bit of storage. You also have a 12-volt DC plug-in in case there's other devices that you'd like to charge, and that closes up nice and easy. You also have your heated seats and your ventilated seats for your driver and your passenger. So that's going to be really great for those hot summer months. You have your sport mode there. That's going to be really fun to drive. And then you have your comfort mode for if you're going over some bumpier terrain. Now you do have your 2 cup holders right back there. And as you can see, again, you have this gorgeous wood grain trim all the way around the interior. Really makes a beautiful finish. Right in here is a nice big center console with some secondary storage here. This comes out and moves around for easy cleaning. You also have a 115 volt AC plug-in just there, along with your phone connector cord. So that's going to give you your Bluetooth and everything like that. Moving a little bit further in, you have your lockable glove box, and you have a nice big glove box with all of the manuals that you're going to need. So that's going to be really handy for you. And then just moving a little bit further up, you do have all of your settings for your garage door opener that you can use as well. So that's going to be handy if you have a multiple door garage. And so lots of great stuff happening in the front of your Acura. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your MDX now, lots going on back here as well. You do have that rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear vision camera that sits just here, as we were talking about before. And then we're going to open this up and take a look at the cargo space. And I love this because it is a 7-passenger, but I'm going to set these seats down so you can see just how much cargo space you have. Right under here is where you will find a lot of extra storage space for some smaller items. It also houses your jack and all of the tools that you're going to need for that spare tire that sits just underneath your rear bumper there. And so we're going to set these seats down so you can see just how much space there is. You have a 50-50 split rear seat, so there's tons of different configurations that you can do. And it also comes with an all-weather cargo mat for your cargo section, so you don't have to worry about wrecking any of the carpet back there or damaging any of your other surfaces. So once you're finished, there's this button here. You can just push this once you're done loading up all of your gear, and it'll come automatically down for you and will give you another view of the back of your Acura. Giving you a final view then of the 2010 Acura MDX with your Elite package. Now there's so much going on that I didn't get a chance to go through all of the features, but you can see there that you also have your roof side rails up there. You also have your tinted rear windows to give your passengers a bit of privacy. But come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions, see how you like it. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.